get ready, put on a cute outfit or whatever, and you just don't end up going nowhere. So it's like now you just wasted your outfit, your time, your energy, your excitement. You could have kept all that for a different occasion, including the outfit that you could have wore to a different occasion. But now it's like somebody gonna see me, so guess what I'm about to do, bitch? Take out the trash. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to take out the trash. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday because I can't relate. All right. You guys be blessed, be safe, use protection, and be safe out here in the streets. All right. I love you.
Okay, I know y'all probably tired of seeing me, but this is just the end of the day. This is still how my wig looks. As you can see, the curls are still here. I really didn't go in and do much to the wig, guys. I actually lost my audio to this wig, so I'm just going to use this voiceover to explain what I was talking about. I was talking about the texture of the hair, the part, the spacing of the part. I loved it. I love the hair. I love how curly it is and how it maintains the curls. The curls are beautiful. The color of the hair is beautiful. It doesn't look too wiggy. It is beautiful. I love the inches. I have a 20-inch and it touches my booty almost. I'm 5'3", so yeah, guys, this length really works for me, and I absolutely love this wig. If you're looking for something that is affordable and
Anyways,
easy
guys,
to
like I said before,
apply.
this video is not sponsored in any way, but if you guys want to send me anything, any product for me to review,
This video is not sponsored, as I said before, but if you guys want to send me anything, Alipearl, please feel free, or any other hair company. I am more than interested to review your products. Please email me. I will be putting a link for this wig inside of the description along with my email. As you can see before, I did not have any foundation or anything on the lace in this clip right here. Yeah, guys, don't play with me. I'm just too much. I'm applying some Avon foundation to the actual lace on the wig, and I'm just going to go through and blend that. Now that the foundation is applied, I will go in and begin my cutting process of the lace and trying to avoid cutting those baby hairs. Love the hairline, y'all. It was just plucked very nicely. It wasn't, you didn't have to do much to the hairline at all. Didn't look too wiggy, and I absolutely love that about the wig. It wasn't too much that you had to do. You didn't have to customize it too much. Also, I only spent like 210 or 215 on this wig, which isn't bad. I actually think I caught it on sale for like 175. Alipearl has really good sales for their hair, so normally I try to catch them while they're on sale. And before, I had bought a short wig prior to this one. I bought like a 14-inch curly wig that I ended up cutting a little bit more. I will be posting a video on that as well from Alipearl. That is what inspired me to buy this wig. I personally love their hair. I love how it looks. Um, just the texture of it, the quality of it, the thickness, the fullness, and mainly the curls. Like, I don't know. It's like with this hair company, y'all slay when it comes to curls. Like, curly hair is y'all thing. But then I realized how beautiful straight hair is as well, with this company. So I wanted something that was in between. So, like, why not get the body wave? You know, I can maintain a curl, but I can also like straighten it if I want to. So that's part of the reason why I got this. Um, I'm not really into wigs that you have to glue down and really doing the whole glue process. This is my first time really doing all of that. Hope you guys like the video. It wasn't that hard to apply. However, I'm going in and I'm just gonna customize it so the baby hairs are to my liking. I'm not a really I'm not really a baby hair person. I just really am big on my parting and just making sure that that part looks natural, because to me, baby hairs just aren't something that is a necessity when it comes to my wigs. You guys can do whatever you want to your wigs. Personally, I just don't have the time. However, I did leave out some baby hairs just so, it can blend and look a little more realistic around the hairline. I just went in and applied a little concealer to the actual part so it could pop a little bit more. And that was about it. Put a little coconut oil on the actual hair just so I can give it a little more extra shine. I'm just going in and curling it some more at the ends. I love the way this hair looks when it's curly. It was already curly, but I just figured if I go in and add some more curls, it will give it the look that I was trying to achieve. As you guys can tell, I'm not the best when it comes to this curling thing either. So, yeah. Got something. It's homecoming. We lit. You feel me? Harris Slade by Z. By Truly. Me. Sweetheart. Get with it. Get with the program, sis. Anyways, guys, it's homecoming. It's homecoming. Alright. And I did my own hair. I slayed the fuck out of this shit, y'all.